Alright, I just have to take a video of this because I've never seen or had this much snow in the 39 years I've been here up in Massachusetts. And anybody who knows my backyard realize that this is a ton of snow. And this is from throwing snow over from the porch. And we've been trying to keep up, but look at the piles we're getting. We got so much snow that we're gonna probably slide down this later today with the kids. The pool, you can't even see it, completely covered. Backyard, the deck. That's probably up to my shoulders, so that's probably about 5 feet of snow drift. And it's just completely covered. And we got more snow coming. And we honestly probably have a good 3 feet of snow. I can't even touch the bottom yet. And I gotta work my way around and clear a path. This is incredible.